Thank you po. Is it all the picture one?
Hi mga ka-baby G! Naalala nyo ba? Sumali ako sa Going Bulilit. Pero hindi ako nakasama. Pero sasama ako sa SM Palapala. Samahan niyo kami.
Okay, nandito na kami sa SM.
Palapala.
At meron dito kasing ano SM audition ba yan? May talent? Ano bang ano yan? Talent search? Talent search. Oh, join ulit si Baby G. Anong oras ba ang bukas ng SM? So, time check, 9:45. So, dito na kami sa parking. Let's go. Anong nararamdaman mo? Ha?
Ba't ako?
Anong nararamdaman mo? Naka-ready ka na ba? Yung talent mo?
Excited.
Excited ka na? Hindi ka nakabahan?
Excited na excited.
Ah, okay. Kailangan kumain mo muna ng almusal para malakas yung ano mo. Okay? Mga ilang kaya mga contestant dyan?
Diba
Okay.
isa lang? Ako lang.
Ikaw lang. Oh, panalo ka na. Okay? See you later. Tayong lugaw para may power sa Baby G. Nakuha na siya ng number.
Ako. Number. Check it na.
Ano laman nito? Kaldo sa to?
Mas kaldo yan, mas mahal yan. Masarap yan.
Kasi ito, egg na lang sa atin.
Baka naman may protein. nararamdaman mo? Nakawa ka ba? Excited ka na? Tingnan mo ha.
Mga parents and guardians po, pakidala na po dito sa backstage or dito sa back ang music materials for our kids. Once again, we are calling the attention of our contestant 1 to 15, male and female, padala na po sa backstage ang inyong music materials. Thank you!
Okay mga baby G, yung contestant number 1 to 15 tinawag na yung mga parents para i-prepare yung kanilang music material. So yun yung mga flash drive, nandun yung mga tugtog na sasayawin or kung ano man gagamitin ng mga kids. So si baby G number 15, kaya punta na rin si Mami Joy doon.
Grabe, diba? Ayan, tayo mo na nakikita ngayon ang kasama natin today on a Saturday. Hello naman po sa ating mga kids. Ayan, and of course, guardians and parents. Hello and good morning sa ating lahat. Nako, bago ko ito impisahan. Alam niyo na ba kung anong gagawin natin today? Excited na ba kayo? Ay, bongga. Gusto ko ang crowd na to. Ayan, o, diba? Talaga nagpa-participate. Thank you so much and good luck sa ating mga contestants. And sa mga nagtataka, ano ba nangyayari today? Ano bang meron dyan? Naku, ito na nga. The nationwide Hidden Talent Competition across the SM malls in the Philippines is now on its 15th year. Grabe, ang tagal-tagal na po ng SM Little Stars 2024. Grabe, di ba? Pang 15th year na to. Excited na ako kung sino ang mananalo nito at the grand finals. And syempre, SM Little Stars serves as a platform to find the brightest, shining, and aspiring kids while giving them the fun opportunity to show their talent, wit, and personality. So ngayon po nasa preliminary auditions pa lang tayo, ha? Pero grabe, dadaan talaga sa karayom. Ano yan? Butas ng karayom. Ang mga kids natin for the SM Little Stars. So good luck to everyone. And syempre, itong ating mga paalala to everybody. 2 per prelim state per mall po ang mananalo. So bali ang mananalo every mall and every preliminary audition, 1 boy and 1 girl. Ayan, ganyan ang ating mga winners. And all winners from each preliminary screening schedule will advance to the regionals. Grabe, di ba? Ang daming pagdadaanan ng mga kids na to. And syempre, pagka panalo po, we will have a background check. We will conduct a background check before announcing the winner. So, ang ating announcement po ng winner, hindi po magaganap right at this day. Ipopost po namin yan on the official Facebook page and social media accounts of SMCD Dasmariñas. So, kailangan naka-like and follow tayo para makikita nyo po ang announcement kung sino ang papasok for SMCD Dasmariñas Prelims Audition today. Grabe, diba? May pa-suspense. Papakabahin talaga tayo. Pero once again, hindi po today. So, after ng audition ng mga kids today, pwede na po tayong mag-mall, kumain sa labas, mag-spend time with family. Okay na po yun. Ang announcement, once again, sa social media po nyo makikita. Okay? And syempre, announcement of winners will be made within the next 5 days after the prelims schedule of the mall. This will be announced online via the microsite and official Facebook page of the mall where the prelims was conducted. Reminder lang din po, there will be no cash or GC to be awarded. Prelims winners shall get a certificate only. And ito, wait lang, sino yung mga hindi naman pwedeng sumali? Winners or placers from other similar contests within the duration of our previous calendar year until the current calendar year, 2023 to 2024, of any company or sponsor and its affiliates with the same line. Sino ang ating magiging judge? Unahin na natin ang ating first judge. He is one of the mainstream artists under Run Cav Management, a social media influencer with more than 2 million combined followers on his social media accounts. Grabe, di ba? He was able to compete for World of Dance in Australia last 2019. He's also a TV commercial and print ad model of Top Star and Nor. He is also UBH Molino Ambassador. He is also GMA7's Eat Bulaga Bida Next Top 6. Palakpakan po natin, walang iba kundi si Ira Masenyo. Ayun, no? Next up, she is a Run Cav main artist and social media influencer with more than 1 million combined followers. Grabe, di ba? She started her modeling career at the age of 8. Grabe yung 8 years old ako, parang ano. Bongga naman. Siyempre, she is also Miss Teen La Trinidad 2022 first runner-up. She is also YK Fashion and Events Cavite Kid Season 3 third runner-up. And she is also Encom Sisma Gunita Epitome of Culture and Heritage second runner-up. Palakpakan po natin, Miss Mitch Panibo. Oh, diba? Very gorgeous ang ating judge. Thank you so much for being here. And lastly, he's a graduate of BS Hotel and Restaurant Management major with cruise line, a seafarer by profession, a model, dancer, TV commercial, and print ad model. He's also a former member of LPU Dance Troupe. He is also Eat Bulaga's Trumpet Challenge Grand Winner. And nakita niyo na ito sa mga commercial like Coca-Cola, Downy with Jolie Santa Maria, and Uniqlo. Palakpakan ang ating resident Jurado, Mr. Marty Villanueva. There you go! Grabe! Ay, diba? Ready na talaga. So, huwag na natin patagalin ito. Let's call on our contestant number 1. Hello! Ayan! Hi! Hi, contestant number 1. I'm Ate Maris. What's your name?
My name is Samantha Monica Buerta.
And ilang taon ka na po? How old are you?
I'm 6 years old po.
You're 6 years old po. Ang gagawin mo today? Magsising ka ba? Pa-dance?
Dance.
Wow! We will watch you, okay? Are you ready? Okay, ready! Ready na? Good luck once again, everybody! Our contestant number 1. you gonna sing? Are you gonna dance?
Sing.
Oh, you're gonna sing. Are you ready? Dance. Dance. Biglang nagbago, no? Are you ready? Dance na lang. Pero ano ba talaga? Sing or dance to? Dance. Dance pa. Ay, ayan na. Dance. Are you ready? Okay, once again, everybody. Palakpakan po natin. Contestant number 3. Grabe, parang ang daming pinagdadaanan ni number 4, no? Sino ang mami? Sino nagturo? Yes! So, diba? Kaya pala ayaw niya pumasok dito. Hi! I like your dress. What's your name? Okay, ilang taon na po si Zia?
5 years old.
5 years old? Ano gagawin mo today? Are you gonna sing? Are you gonna dance?
Sing.
Oh, you're gonna sing! You really like to sing? Ayun, oh, we will watch you sing. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's give it up for contestant number 6. Oh, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna sing? Are you gonna dance? Dance! Oh, I like your hair. Is that your real hair? Yes, ang ganda naman. Ready ka na? Okay! Once again, everybody, palakpakan po natin. This is number 10. naman. Hi! What's your name?
My name is Teacher Rindy.
And how old are you po?
7 years old po.
7 years old. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna sing or are you gonna dance?
Sing and dance.
Ay! Parehas. I love that. Ready ka na?
Yes.
Okay, once again everybody, palakpakan po natin contestant number 11.
Sa tuwing nakikita ko, magkasama na tayo. Naiinis ako kung nasisira ang araw ko. At di ko alam bakit ba nalalaman to. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di.
Uy, ano no? Ngayon selos naman. So, sino ang mami mo? Saan ang mami mo?
Yun.
Ayan, mukhang si mami may favorite ng selos. Thank you so much. Once again, everybody, palakpakan po natin contestant number 11. Next up, hi! Wow! Aba, gusto ko yung headband nito. I like your headband. What's your name?
Kuya Alisa de Concepcion po.
And how old are you po?
6 years old po.
6 years old. What are you gonna do today? Are you gonna sing? Are you gonna dance?
Dance.
Ay, dance! Are you ready?
Yes.
Parang ano ba? Ganun-ganun ba yun, no? Yan, ready ka na? Okay, once again, everybody, palakpakan pa natin. Contestant number 13.
Tapos si ano si Miles. Ayan, dalawa.
To 30, ayan. Pumunta po dito sa ating tech booth. And sa side, ayan, nandun po ang ating music materials. Okay? Thank you so much. And hi! Yes naman sa blush on at ang eyeshadow, bongga. What's your name? And how old are you po? 4 years old. 4 years old, ganito na ang makeup. O, ano gagawin mo today? Kakanta ka ba? Sasayaw? Sasayaw ka? Ready ka na? Okay, once again everybody, our contestant number 14. Ang galing naman. Kaya pala ganun yung may mga may mga ganyan kasalir, ha? Bini din to. Thank you so much. Once again, everybody, our contestant number 14. Yay! Thank you. Ayan. Wow naman. Hi, what's your name?
Kipeya po.
Si Bea. Ayan, si Bea. Siya. Hindi ako. Siya. Si Bea. Okay, Bea. Ilang taon ka na?
6 po.
6 po. Okay. Ano gagawin mo ngayon?
Sasayaw po.
Gusto na makita yan, ha? Sasayaw siya na naka-ano, ha? Naka-onesie. Oh, I love it. Okay, ready ka na? Ready! Once again, everybody, our contestant number 15.
Nakauwi na tayo. Galing baby.
Sasayaw. Ayun, hindi yan naman pigilan, no? Sasayaw. Diba? Ayan, ha? Naku po, ready ka na. Once again, everybody, our contestant number 16.
Ano pakiramdam?
Siyempre.
Kinabahan ka? Excited? Ganado wala pa yung ano, sumasayaw ka na eh. Sabi ko, baka makalimutan niya yung sayaw niya, kasasayaw doon sa ibang ano. Okay, let's go home na! Bye-bye!